Struggling to find the right RC car that's easy to control and fun to drive? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Gravedigger RC Truck. The Monster Jam official Gravedigger remote control monster truck, priced at $19.95. What caught my attention is its authentic design and epic stunt capabilities. If you want a fun and exciting way to introduce your kids to the world of RC cars, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Gravedigger can perform crazy stunts, and with its dual joystick controller, you can raise up to 6 trucks at a time within a range of 250 feet. That means your kids can have a mini racing event right in your living room or backyard without any worries about interference from others. Plus, it's specifically designed for kids aged 4 to 14, making it a great starter option. Now, some people complained about the need for 5 AAA batteries, which aren't included. Here's the thing though. While it can be a hassle to stock up on batteries, once you're up and running, the fun is endless and worth the minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a safe, beginner-friendly car for younger kids. Skip this one if you want something more advanced or if your kids are already experienced RC enthusiasts. For $19.95, it's a great value for a first RC car. Now, if the battery requirement for the Gravedigger bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Kidsia 116 RC Monster Truck. The Kidsia 116 RC Monster Truck, priced at $24.99. What I love about this truck is its impressive speed of 20 kilometers per hour and its robust design. If you want an all-terrain vehicle that can handle various surfaces, you should definitely check this one out. This RC car is powered by an upgraded motor and features a 2.4 GHz remote controller, allowing stable control up to 160 feet away. This means your kids can race it in the park or backyard without worrying about losing connection. The oversized rubber tires give it excellent grip on grass and sand, so it's perfect for outdoor play. Plus, it's designed for ages 4 to 16, making it flexible for a range of users. However, some users mentioned that the car can be a bit difficult to steer at high speeds. Here's the thing. While it might take a little practice to master, that challenge can actually enhance the fun of learning to control an RC vehicle. This is perfect for you if you have kids who love speed and outdoor adventures. Skip this if you want something that runs smoothly at all times right out of the box. At $24.99, it offers great value for a durable, fun experience. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for advanced beginners. Product number 3. HyperGo H16BM. The HyperGo H16BM, priced at $127.49. Honestly, this brushless, high-speed off-road car blew me away with its performance capabilities. If you want something that can handle intense bashing and racing, this is a serious contender. The H16BM features a brushless motor that allows it to reach speeds of up to 42 miles per hour, which is incredible for its size. It's built for durability with metal gears and a honeycomb chassis that can withstand rough terrains. Plus, it includes 2 LiPo batteries to keep the action going. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The power and speed make it perfect for outdoor fun, but it also means you'll have a longer-lasting vehicle that can take a beating. Now, some users mentioned that because of its speed, it might be overwhelming for complete beginners. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to take the time to learn, this car will grow with you and provide thrilling experiences. This is perfect for you if you're an older beginner looking for something fast and durable. Skip this if you want something that's easier to manage right out of the box. For $127.49, you're investing in a high-quality, long-lasting RC vehicle. Now, if that performance level worried you, the next one is made for a bit more comfort and fun. Product number 4. HyperGo H14BM V3, priced at $199.99. This bad boy caught my eye for its extreme speed capabilities and rugged design. If you're serious about getting into RC racing, this is a must-see. This truck can reach speeds of 50 miles per hour with the right battery, and its durable construction means it can handle all types of terrain, whether it's gravel, snow, or mud. The aluminum alloy chassis ensures stability, while the adjustable oil-filled shocks provide superior handling during high-speed runs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's designed for serious fun and can tackle anything you throw at it, making it perfect for those who want to push their limits. Now, I did notice some complaints about the initial setup being a bit complex. Here's the thing. While it might take a little bit of time to get everything dialed in, the payoff in performance is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're ready to take your RC experience to the next level. Skip this if you prefer something that's quick and easy to set up. At $199.99, it's a solid investment for a serious hobbyist. Finally, if the speed sounds exciting, you'll want to hear about our last pick that's more budget-friendly. Product number 5. Hometall 118 Fast RC Car. We have the Hometall 118 Fast RC Car, priced at $64.99. This one surprised me with its speed of 38 plus kph and all-terrain capability. If you want an affordable option that doesn't skimp on fun, this is worth considering. This RC car includes 2 batteries for extended playtime and is designed with a 4-wheel drive system, allowing it to handle rough surfaces with ease. The remote control offers a range of up to 80 meters, making it easy to use in open spaces. Here's why this matters for you. It combines speed and versatility without breaking the bank, so it's perfect for kids and adults alike. However, some users mentioned the build quality could be improved. Here's the thing. While the plastic might feel less sturdy, if you treat it with care, it still provides a lot of fun at a great price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet exciting RC car. Skip this if you're after something more robust and heavy-duty. For $64.99, it's a fantastic value for weekend fun. That wraps up our list of the top 5 RC cars for beginners. To recap, we explored the Monster Jam Gravedigger for younger kids, the Kidsia Monster Truck for outdoor fun, the speedy HyperGo H16BM for advanced beginners, the Extreme HyperGo H14BM V3 for hobbyists, and the budget-friendly Hometall RC car. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the HyperGo H16BM because it offers an ideal balance of durability and speed for new enthusiasts.